हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम जा रहे हैं जयपुर एंड सुपर एक्साइटेड बिकॉज बहुत कुछ लाइंड अप है। आर्यन सो रहा है और उसका पू भी सो रहा है।
हाय गाइस, सो मैंने सुबह ब्लॉग किया था, फिर मैंने उसके बाद ब्लॉग नहीं किया। सो वी आर बेसिकली ऑलमोस्ट इन जयपुर और
We are entering.
हाँ, we are entering Jaipur. Something very exciting has happened. I am going to collab with another mom blogger in Jaipur, and it's going to be super fun. I'm going to meet her on 14th, and details of course vlog के बाद vlog जो आएंगे उस पे होगा। मैं अभी कुछ भी reveal नहीं करने वाली, but wait for it. It's going to be lot of fun. We are going to go to a place which is super exciting. मैं खुद भी बहुत excited हूँ for myself and also for Aryan. So that's gonna happen on 14th. But for today we are basically free, so I'm staying at Ramada, and I will take you and show you the hotel. So आज probably हम hotel में chill करेंगे और थोड़ा शायद आसपास बाहर जाएं. And tomorrow we have planned to do the sightseeing for Jaipur. And day after tomorrow I'm meeting her, so that I'm excited about. और फिर 15 तारीख को हमारी trip खत्म हो जाएगी. We'll be back to the bay. So yes, let's go to the hotel. Hi guys, I've reached Ramada, and let me give you a room tour before it becomes messy. So let's start. So this is the entry, and I will back. So मैंने entry किया. So this is the entry. Then this is one washroom here. I think they have two washrooms. So this is one washroom. I am all messed up, especially because हम कार से आ रहे हैं. And here we have got the suite. The room number is 633. So this is here you enter, and that's first washroom. So this is the tea area. This the bag रख दी है इसको already. So they have like a proper good storage. वहाँ पे fridge है, water bottles. They have a dining table in the room. That's so cool. Aryan is already busy. So there's this sofa. And hello, Aryan, क्या ऑर्डर कर रहे हो? तुम मास्क निकाल सकते हो. क्यों ऑर्डर कर रहे हो? हाँ, टी. ओके, ऑर्डर 2 टी. ओके, हेलो. कोई नंबर मत डायल करना, नहीं तो सच में लग जाएगा. सो दे हैव अ टीवी हियर एंड देन अनदर स्टोरेज यूनिट लाइक अ प्रॉपर स्टडी टेबल. एंड लेट मी शो यू द व्यू फ्रॉम हियर. वाओ, लुक एट दैट. So beautiful. So we have the road view here to the bedroom now. So यहाँ पे भी एक टीवी है, and then the bed big enough for 3 of us. And the best part, the large mirror. यहाँ पे भी है, वहाँ पे भी है. Aryan is exploring. वो सब जगह के फ़ोन से फ़ोन करेगा. I hope he doesn't dial the reception and disturb them. So that's there. I think that's the washroom. Okay, this is the storage unit here. Oh wow, they have an iron board and iron also. Then locker, सारे hanger वगैरह है. आर्यन को अंदर बंद कर देना. अंदर घुस जाओ. तो एक बार जाओ अंदर, फिट आ रहे हो कि नहीं देखो. घुसो. हाँ, आर्यन को अंदर लॉक कर देते हैं.
Where is Aryan? Hello.
Hi.
कांच का है बेटा. That's the second washroom which is attached to the room. Good, nice. And they have a bathtub. Da, da, da. I'm gonna have a good warm bath here. So hair dryer है. Amazing. Now I'll show you what all they have here. So this one is a disposable bag, shower cap, shaving kit. I think this would be good morning kit. So I think this will have toothbrush and toothpaste hoga. There is a comb, shampoo, conditioner and moisturizer. Towels वगैरह भी है. And they have a separate standing shower here, and that one is the one that attaches to the bedroom. So this is how it looks. I think मैंने light सारी नहीं जलाई. Yeah. So there they have a standing shower, washroom, bathtub. So loved this suite. So we got an upgrade and awesome looking room. Let me show you the view which I have not shown. Same ही है, but
It is front side facing.
हाँ, front facing, and the skyline is so pretty from here. So beautiful. Very nice. How did you like the room?
Good.
इसका गुड मतलब बहुत अच्छा. ओ यहाँ पे और टिंग टिंग. मुझे ऐसा एक मिरर घर में लगा दो ना. लगा दोगे?
Let me find out where is the.
So yeah, loving the room. Amazing. Now we'll just freshen up and order, or maybe go out and eat something. See you in a bit. Bye. Best part about this hotel that I really liked was that कि यहाँ पे आयरन है और आयरन बोर्ड है, because हम इतना used to है, because हमारे पास भी आयरन बोर्ड है. एंड आई वाज टेलिंग इश्तियाक कि यार बहुत ऐसे ड्रेसेस है जो फोल्ड करके लाओ और फिर आयरन नया हो तो मुश्किल हो जाती है. मैं सोचा था कहीं बाहर देना पड़ेगा आयरन करने के लिए, बट देन दिस इज़ बेस्ट पार्ट. इश्तियाक अपना पैंट आयरन कर रहा है. मेरे भी कपड़े कर दोगे क्या?
जरूर.
इश्तियाक कर देता है यार, मना नहीं करता है. इनफैक्ट मैं मेरी कज़न सिस्टर की शादी में गई थी और इसने बहुत मेहनत की थी मेरा ड्रेस आयरन करने के लिए. मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट पार्ट. और इश्तियाक के लिए भी मैंने घर में आयरन बोर्ड लिया है ना. So we were super hungry and we wanted to eat some local food, so we went out of our hotel in search of food and found this amazing place where there were a lot of eateries. This was Amritsari kulcha and was super yum. This was choo-choo naan. It was a little sweet but it was very good also. Hotel Ramada is located near Raja Park, which is in the main city, so it is very very convenient for you to travel around. We took this small rickshaw for Bapu Bazaar, and then from there we took another rickshaw for Hawa Mahal. So the location of Ramada Hotel is really good. We literally had the whole day in hand, so post lunch we decided to visit the local market. So we came to Bapu Bazaar. We were not intending to buy anything as such unless and until it was pretty unique and the prices were low, because almost everything is available in Calcutta. Plus the prices here are pretty high. You really need to bargain a lot.
मुझे तू ही दिख रही है.
एक पेड़ के पीछे छुप गई ना.
How many squirrels did you see, Aryan? Three. Yeah.
So guys, we are going to end this vlog here because बहुत लंबे vlogs बन रहे हैं otherwise. So I'm going to continue this vlog we visiting the Hawa Mahal or trying local foods in the next vlog. So keep on watching, and if you're liking the series, please hit the subscribe button and comment भी करना.